Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Luna Classic update. Now, nearly 1 trillion coins of Terra Luna Classic has been taken out. Now, Terra Luna Classic, one big success they've actually achieved is for the fact that Terra Luna Classic have really a lot of changes on Terra Luna Classic. I remember about 2-3 months ago, the staking of Terra Luna Classic was not even up to 20 billion coins, but today we are recording almost 890 billion Terra Luna Classic coins that has been staked. You can see the staking of Terra Luna Classic have really increased since the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond. So most people, instead of selling, or they rather stake their Terra Luna Classic coin in order to gain more coins. And I think remember, when you stake that, the number will be taken out of Terra Luna Classic supply. The truth is, Terra Luna Classic have almost 5.9 trillion coins in circulation right now, and I believe, of course, it's a good one to see people staking their coins. It's a good one to see Terra Luna Classic token, even the bonding have increased, and I believe, of course, Binance are doing a lot of great work, a lot of great support for Terra Luna Classic, including Kucoin, Crypto.com. But you can see that Terra Luna Classic community are not giving up. The staking have really increased in almost nearly 1 trillion Terra Luna Classic coins, and very soon we'll be recording almost 1.5 or 2 trillion Terra Luna Classic coin that must have been staked. I think that's the good one for Terra Luna Classic. It's going to be a bonus for Terra Luna Classic token. Now, almost 1 trillion coins have been staked. I believe Binance also will be burning for this month, year December. Binance will be burning the billions of Terra Luna Classic coin, and that is definitely going to create a better impact, a positive news for Terra Luna Classic coin. I still believe Terra Luna Classic have all it takes to hit 10,000% increase in price. The truth is, once this burning keep growing, the burning of Terra Luna Classic keep growing, and the circulating and supply of Terra Luna Classic keep reducing, is going to pay more good for Terra Luna Classic in a long period of time. Well, let's wait and see within the next 6 months what will be happening with Terra Luna Classic token, because I believe that in the next 6 months we are going to see Terra Luna Classic at a high level. This coin is going to increase. That is why Binance founder Cezi also is not giving up on Terra Luna Classic. They've been supporting this coin. Terra Luna Classic is going to hit a massive level. I believe that yes, a lot of holders will be smiling very soon, because Terra Luna Classic is not giving up. The developers are working hard. The Binance founder also is supporting. You can see the community are coming together to pull, to push, and then to ask Coinbase to actually list. And they just said no, not just listening Terra Luna Classic. They want Coinbase to also accept the 1.2% tax bond. Well, remember what happened with Binance when the community actually demand pressure that Binance should not charge 1.3%. Binance should charge 1.2%, and Binance have to bow down and charge 1.2%. Right now, I believe that same thing can work for Coinbase. Yes, very soon I believe Coinbase will be listing the Terra Luna Classic token very soon. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.